How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm all right. I'm all right. I'm doing wonderful. Amanpreet, thank you so much for asking. I am doing good. All right. Amanpreet, this one is your seventh session. Okay. Just the beginning. All right. Amanpreet, we are meeting for the first time. How is it going? You're practicing till now?
The practice is going well, ma'am. I have learned so many things from the sessions, from tutors, uh, and by myself as well.
Hmm.
Yes, it's going well.
Okay. Amanpreet, let's see how beautifully you answer the questions. We have got a very simple topic for today. I'm sure you've read the document.
Yes.
Quite simple. Two things we'll pick up. One is the question answers. So let's see how well do you frame it. Second thing is a bit of description, not too much, but a bit of description, right? So again, let's see how well do you frame the content. All right. So we'll start with the first one. If you can open the notes, please, and come to page number 2. There is a picture given, so decode that picture. What do you think of it? What can you make out of that picture?
The first picture, ma'am.
Yeah, page number 2. There's a picture. The debate is based on the image, right? So yeah, what is that image? What can you see there? What can you? How will you decode it?
Okay. So what I am observing from the picture is that there is a person. I think he is sitting on a couch,
No, no, no,
holding
no,
his
no, no, no.
phone.
Not that one. Page number 2.
Okay.
Page number
The
2.
debate is based on the image.
Yeah, that picture.
Okay. I think the picture describes how human beings are glued to mobile phones a lot these days
Hmm.
because uh, someone is holding the mobile phone in his hand and it seems that it seems that he's addicted to the mobile phone. He can't get away with it. I don't
Hmm.
think so. Get away is the right word here,
Hmm.
but yes.
Yes, he can't get away with it. That's the literal meaning that you're taking out of that picture. What is it actually depicting? What is this picture trying to say? So it's simple, like you can say that the picture is depicting, like in today's day and time, how we as humans are so much attached with our, or I can use the word addicted here, that how we all are, to what extent we all are addicted to mobile phones, right?
Mhm.
None of our day goes without using it. That is the level of addiction, right? Nobody, it doesn't matter what the age is, everybody to some extent is addicted. And addiction is not a high word that I'm using here. Actually, people are addicted to their phones, mobile phones, right?
Yes.
No matter what, and no matter what age. So if I ask you, what is the minimum number of hours, Amanpreet, you can close the document, please. What number of hours do you spend on the screens?
Talking about at this stage of my life, I do not spend a lot of time on the screens because at this stage of my life, I know consciously that what to do, what is important for me right now. And as I am a working professional and I have to complete my tasks in a day, so I cannot spend a lot of time on binge watching series on my mobile phone. If I consider my previous years, I used to spend 3 to 4 hours in a day uh, watching videos on YouTube, watching web series on Netflix, and especially I used to watch the serials, the regular episodes that were being telecasted on, I think, Z TV or Star Plus. I
What are they
used to
called?
watch these
What are they called, those shows?
regular episodes, I think so.
Nah,
Serial.
no, it's called daily soaps.
Okay, daily
Hmm.
shorts.
Ah. We all used to watch a lot of daily soaps, right? Earlier, let's consider 10 years back, 15 years back, we all used to
Yes,
watch all those shows that used to come, all Ekta Kapoor shows, and on Star Plus and ZTV. Yes, we were.
exactly.
And I'm not very happy to say this, but yes, we all were quite engaged with the stories and the drama that used to happen in the shows. All very
Yes.
useless, but yes. No, but right now you said that I make YouTube videos, so I'm sure that also takes a lot of screen time. No,
Yes, but that is in a productive way.
no, that
I
is
do
okay.
not.
What I'm asking is, how much is the screen time? Maybe if you're working, and if you're not working, in total, how many hours do you spend on the screen?
I think the screen time is quite similar to my previous years, but the in the previous years that the screen time was not productive for me. But this time I used to spend I would say 5 to 6 hours on screen because my activities are online. I have to work online. I'm not teaching offline. I'm not teaching offline students. So if I am doing something online, then I have to spend a lot of time on it. So yes, 4 to 5 hours are bare minimum for me.
Okay, so earlier also you used to do this, but this time it is more productive, although the screen time is the same. Okay, speaking of children, these days children, they are on the phones all the time. If you see, and even the little ones, very little ones, in fact, they know how to operate YouTube. They know how to play games and whatnot. So, what do you have to say about that? Why is that happening? Because that's surely not a very good thing, but it is happening, and it's happening in every house. Why?
First of all, I do agree with the point that children are using mobile phone and their screen times are increasing significantly these days. This is because they really need entertainment. They seek entertainment these days everywhere. I'm not talking only about the children, but people, all the people are seeking entertainment online or offline. So I think children use it because people around them are also using it.
Hmm.
So they watch them, they observe them, and they do the same thing what their parents or their relatives or their friends are doing. They do the same thing.
Use the word
So,
influence.
sorry,
Use the word influence here.
yes,
They get influenced by.
they
Hmm.
they get influenced by their parents or their immediate family members. That is why their screen time is increasing significantly. And may I know, would you please repeat the question again for me?
The question here is that since kids are doing all of this, first is that why exactly are they doing? Why are they indulging into so much of screen timing or mobile phones? Uh, First of all, do you agree with this? And if yes, then why? That is the question.
So, as I've answered already, that I do agree that children are using phones a lot these days. And why they're using? Because they are getting influenced by their parents or their family members. Because they are using, that means children are also supposed to use. They think that we are also supposed to use the mobile phones because our parents or the our elder ones are using it,
Hmm.
right? And
Yeah,
this
that's it.
answer.
That's it. Okay. Uh, do you think nowadays parents are really busy in their own lives and they don't pay a lot of attention towards the kids? Basically, they think it's easy. The kid is busy with the phone, so it's easy. We can take our own time. We can have our own life. We can, because we are busy either with the work, this work or that work, professionally or non-professionally, but we are busy with something. So it's easy. The kid is busy with that thing. So they are not paying a lot of attention towards the kid. Do you think that is also one of the reasons?
In my perspective, yes. Parents, not I'm not talking about all the parents that they are busy with their own work and they are not taking care of their children. They are looking after their children, but because uh, somewhere they also want to enjoy their life as well. Because if I specifically talk about the working professionals, they tend to do that. They tend to hand over mobile phones to their children so that they can also do the work simultaneously. So I think yes, people are doing it. People are handing over mobile phones to their children because they are also busy in their professional works, or yes, they also want to enjoy their life. That is why they do so.
But is that a right thing?
Definitely not. It is not a right thing because we have several alternatives to make our children busy. There are several activities we can make them indulge in. So, but I think this insight is, and not many parents have this kind of insight. They do not think this way. They do not think it consciously that it is not a right way to handle our children. They do not think it consciously. So it is the responsibility of the parents to indulge their children in the activities that do not affect them
Yeah.
mentally or physically as
No,
well.
but other things that you're mentioning, the different alternatives like you mentioned, I feel most of them would want parents to be involved in whatever activity the kid is doing. There should be one of the parent with the kid for doing that activity. That's necessary. While using mobile phone is so easy that, if you give that phone to the kid would be sitting there for hours and spending time on the phone. So it's like you don't need to be there for this kind of thing, but for every other activity you need to give your presence for that particular thing, and that presence is a very difficult task because you don't have time. So where are we lacking? What do you think is lacking there?
Okay, the question is quite tricky. I have to think about it.
Or what can be
So,
done in such a case? What do you think, if let's say if you are in that position, how would you handle it? Let's say your kid is so much busy with the phone and you don't really want that, right? The consequences of that, and you feel no, it's a wrong thing happening. What would you do in such a case?
I would really seek for the alternatives. Like, if I can handle my child in a different way, if I can put him or her in the, you can say, the classes where the teachers can handle them, the teacher can be there when they are performing those activities.
Hmm.
Yes, I'll put them in the school where the offline activities are being performed. This is the one thing I can do. Moreover, if I want my children do other activities like the physical activities, as I'm interested in going to the gym, so I would also put him in the gym. Like um, I would also like that he will do small exercises with me so that I can be there with him or her, and simultaneously he's not using the mobile phone.
Okay, but
Because
this is about
I've
children.
seen this I've seen this thing on a social media. There is a channel called I think Flying Beast. Yes, Flying Beast. So he's the father of two girls, and he used to put her in a gym even at this small age
Hmm.
where he looks after her and simultaneously his kid is doing exercise. He
Hmm.
is putting her away from mobile phone. So I think these kind of activities I can do with my children.
It can be an alternative. Okay. But again, this is about children. What about adults? Now children, they've got no knowledge, poor thing, they are little, right? But what about adults? We all are addicted, we have all the knowledge, it's wrong, we should not do it, and so on, and the bad consequences, but then still we do it. Again, why is that happening?
I think everybody has their own perspective about using mobile phones. If they want to use, they can use because being an adult, uh, I think it is our conscious decision. We
Yeah.
know what we are doing, but we are still not reducing the use of it. That means the problem is with us, and this is only us who can do something for us, and nobody else can do for us. So I think we cannot teach any adult to use mobile phones a lot. It is their responsibility, I think.
Lately, because of social media, this addiction sort of like grew with all of us, right? Majorly, it is because of the social media. And in fact, after COVID, this happened, that we all just, by the time we all realized, we were already addicted to the social media. That really happened after 2020, mostly 2021, around that time. uh, so according to you, social media played a great role, or was it like earlier also people were addicted? It's not like social media did anything different. Earlier also it was the same, now it's even more. What do you think?
I don't think earlier there was so much content on social media, and people were glued to the to the content, to the entertainment, to the entertaining content in the previous years. I don't think so. It is because of the social media, ma'am, because people imitate each other a lot. Whatever they will see on social media, they'll imitate immediately. And for the meantime, it has been grown, and it will grow in the future as well, because whatever they see, they like to do the same thing. Moreover, social media is an instant gratification platform, I would say.
Mm,
Like people are getting instant gratification from the short videos, and they just want to be in a rat race, and they want everything uh, quickly, and social media is providing them.
mm.
That is why it is growing, and people are also getting addicted towards it.
Okay. And people are losing their patience, right? Would you agree
Definitely.
with me?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Nobody is patient enough to, they don't even feel like, because, of course, because of the reels, they've made people like this. Any content more than 2 minutes, they feel, my God, what is it? Just scroll up.
Exactly,
So
exactly.
that you need to be very much engaging within first 1 minute of whatever video reel you are putting. Otherwise, people would go crazy. They don't even want to go till the end of the video and know what productive thing somebody is telling you. But
And I
then,
think so the episodic content also creates it, like episodic content. Like if someone is putting the episodes, people don't have patience to look for the next episode the next day. They want the same content in the same day.
right.
They want abhi bata do na. So instant gratification.
Like, all right, okay. Amanpreet, two, three things, right? So when you're speaking, again, the language is fine. A bit of grammatical mistakes, small ones, but grammatical mistakes. Second thing is, when you are speaking, of course, you're speaking very calmly, very clearly. That's a great thing. But when you're answering, you should know where to stop, right? That I have given a good answer, I have framed a good answer, I should know where to stop it. Because if you extend it beyond it is needed, then things, they start getting messed up.
Yes.
So brilliantly you are answering, and I thought she should stop here, but you didn't, and you were just going on and on and on. And I thought, my God, she should have stopped 2 lines before, right? Because the
Yes.
answer was perfect till then. But
And I also forgot the answer at the end of I
ah,
also forgot to answer them.
exactly.
Like
So we
also
should
like
know where to start, where to end, what to include, what not to include, and everything nicely presented. Finish. You were presenting it very nicely. Choice of words good. Making of sentence good. Grammatical errors less, very less, but it was there. Clarity was there. With confidence, you were speaking, but unnecessary extending. And I was. I thought, my God, she's doing so good. Why is she even extending the answer? She should just stop here. So that is one thing you should think, that I should stop here. So it's all right, Amanpreet. Thank you so much for joining today. Thank you. Bye bye and take care. See
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. Bye.